In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage actionable email with Todoist in just 5 minutes. Ready to transform how you handle your inbox and keep your tasks organized? Let's dive right in. First up, let's integrate your email with Todoist. If you're using Gmail or Outlook, install the Todoist plugin. This allows you to create tasks directly from your email interface, seamlessly bridging your email and task management systems. For Gmail users, click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner, then navigate to the add-ons section. Here you'll see a manage button under the installed add-ons. Type Todoist for Gmail into the search box and click install. If you're using Outlook, the process is quite similar, though you may need to visit the Microsoft Store to find the appropriate plugin. Once you've got the plugin installed, the next step is to log into your Todoist account. Just type todoist.com into your browser and enter your credentials. Having done that, you'll ensure your tasks sync smoothly between your email and Todoist. Moving along, let's create email forwarding. Each Todoist project comes with a unique email address. This address is key because forwarding actionable emails to this email will automatically turn them into tasks. To find this special email, go to your chosen project, click on the 3 dots and select Email Tasks to this project. Keep that address handy for whenever you need to capture an email as a task. Now, let's move on to capturing these emails effectively. When you forward an email to Todoist, the subject line of the email becomes the title of the task. This is quite intuitive because it reflects what the task is about, directly in the task list. The body of the email isn't left out either, it becomes the task description, providing necessary context. If there are any attachments, they'll be included in the task as well. It's time to add some context to these tasks. Use labels to categorize your tasks, such as Hackbad Email, Follow Up, or Hatched Urgent, which will help you filter rapidly when your task list starts to grow. Additionally, take advantage of Todoist's priority system. They offer a P1, P4 system, allowing you to prioritize tasks by importance. Scheduling is just as easy. You can set due dates and reminders, ensuring you follow up on tasks today, tomorrow, or on any specific date. Finally, here's a bonus tip for you. Use filters and automation to streamline your workflow further. Create filters like Nabbit Email and Today to quickly view all actionable emails. Moreover, services like Zapier or Make.com can automate task management, marking tasks as complete when certain conditions are met, freeing up more of your time for other important activities. And that's all there is to it. By integrating these steps into your everyday routine with Todoist, you'll find managing your actionable emails more efficient and less stressful. Thanks for watching and happy tasking.